Meaning of extensively.
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 Extensively. The term extensively means that something has been done or used to a great extent or degree. When something is done extensively, it means that it has been done in a thorough, comprehensive, and detailed manner. This can result in a number of outcomes depending on the context of its use. For example, if a person studies extensively for an exam, they are likely to perform well. If a company markets its products extensively, it is likely to achieve high sales. In short, extensive use or application of something often leads to positive results.